Okay, I'm going to try this one more time on a different app. I'm using Screencastify instead of Screencast-O-Matic because that wouldn't upload for me. So this is the third time I've done this. So I'm going to talk you through what I've already written. This is adding functions. This is on Canvas for A-Day students and YVA students from October 5th, which was Monday. And I'm just going to talk through these. I've already got them worked out. I worked them out in a video, and then the website wouldn't come up to let me upload it to YouTube. So I'm going to talk through this and try it again. We've got h of t is this, g of t is this. They're asking you to find h minus g of t. So they're asking you to, I was looking for my highlighter, take h, which is this, and we wrote right here, and subtract g, which is this, which I wrote right here. Okay, and then we're just combining like terms. 2t minus 2t gives you no t's at all, so we don't have a t in our answer because they canceled out. And then we have 1 minus 2 gives you a negative 1, so your answer is just negative 1. Number 2 is this problem right here where they're asking you to do g minus f of a. So you take g, which I wrote right here, and subtract f, which is this right here, and I wrote right here. And again, you're combining like terms. So here you want your answers to be in what we call standard form, which means the term with the highest exponent should come first. So we look at this a squared first. There are no other terms with an exponent higher than a 2, but there also aren't any other a squareds. So it's like saying 0a squared minus 1a squared, or 0 minus 1, which gives you a negative 1. So that's why the beginning of our answer is negative 1a squared. And then we look to the terms with just an exponent of 1, and there's only one of those, negative 3a. There are no other a's. So we just write it beside it, negative 3a. And then combine the terms you have left, which are negative 3 minus 5, which gives you a negative 8. And so that is your answer. Number 3 looks like this, and they're asking you to do g of 3 minus h of 3. So this one's different in that it's giving you a value to plug in for the variable. For g of 3, for g of x, you're going to plug in 3 for x. And h of x, you're going to plug in 3 for the x. Plugging in the same thing. So that's all I did here. 2x minus 5 is right here. But I went ahead and replaced the x with a 3. 2 times 3 minus 5. Minus 4x plus 5, which is 4 times 3 plus 5. And you just simplify from there. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 5. And then 12 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. Minus 12 plus 5 is 17. 1 minus 17 gives you a negative 16. On number 4 on Canvas, there was a typo. They have a 3 right here where the x is. It should just be x. But you are being asked to do h plus g and plug in 10 for the value for x. So we have h of x, which is 3x plus 3, and we're adding g of x, which is negative 4x plus 1. And we're plugging in a 10 for the x's. So 3 times 10 plus 3 plus negative 4 times 10 plus 1 gives you 30 plus 3 plus negative 40 plus 1, which gives you 33 plus negative 39, which gives you negative 6. Okay, number 5. You have your two functions here, and they're asking you to do f minus g and plug in 4 for the values of the x's. So f is 4x minus 3, g is x cubed minus 2x, and we're subtracting those. Plug in a 4 for your x's. 4 times 4 minus 3 minus 4